lion tried, but it couldn't.
Yes. You see, when God created things 6 days, He rested on the 7th day. We are resting on the 7th day. We are resting on the 7th day.
Welcome to another episode of Campus with Shagboy. Charlie, if you are in Ghana and you don't know Campus with Shagboy, you are missing, because this is your destination for all campus staff in the country. Today we are here in Kumasi for the grand finale of the National Science and Maths Quiz. We have Prempe repping, we have Keita, and we have Preset. Charlie, we are going to get one to have the bragging rights for the next year. You understand? Make sure you subscribe to the channel for all campus staff. Like this video and drop a comment. Today be the final. Drop comment, make we chat, make we throw everybody in the comment section. Come down, happy birthday to you. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video and let me show you the highlights of the National Science and Maths Quiz here on KNUST campus. My name is Shagboy. Make sure you don't go anywhere.
Better work well down there. Why will I go?
If I see Prempe be college, you know the school. So no comparison to those schools. And if I see from 1994, Prempe was the winner, and 1995, the second had it. So he went back to back. But we see, we beat Yopoko on the semi-final in 1996 to make the second and final, and we get it. And it has happened today. 2022, Presec was winner.
What kind of thing?
2022, Presec was winner.
It's okay. It's okay.
He was hoping to go further this year. We have beat Okofa to the semi-final. So we are here. We are getting a trophy to glorify the Lord on the field. I'm up for senior.
Seven C's. Alright, stop right there, don't come. We gon' roll to that kingdom come. That girl not from left a man to drum, but me come back ruling the 7 C's. The 7 C's, yeah. Ruling the 7 C's, yeah. Shawty left a man to drum, but me come back ruling the 7 C's, yeah. Yeah, the 7 C's, yeah. Ruling the.
We've come to show them. We have come to show them. We are the eagle. We so high. You know, last time the lion tried, but it couldn't. Eagle is above, and even if the forest is burning, eagles still survive. You understand? So we have come to show, and we know the coming for us.
My body, you me to voter. Yamionye katavio mieva jola livio eke never hold trophy amnacho
Tanya wo bareli obanari ofiti country boblonyo oku na the language of the god if you want to understand speak to the god.
wanted to go.
This is the school I wanted to go.
Hey, I wanna be your daddy, yeah. Hey, I wanna be your daddy, yeah. Hey, I wanna be your daddy, yeah. This is the school I wanted to go. See. Relax. You see, you can't hear the green everywhere. See, green everywhere, but then no pressure. As I said, no pressure. Enye kasa. What I say? Enye kasa. We are down ball, no crossing, so down ball slow. We find it simple. Yes. You see, when God created things 6 days, He rested on the 7th day. We are resting on the 7th day. We are resting on the 7th day.
I'm not blind, she won't fuck me life and then fuck. Come back ruling the 7 seas. Alright, stop right there, don't come. We gon' roll to that kingdom come. That girl not farm, left her man to drown, but me come back.
It's okay. Oh, that is.
My name is Constance and I'm the only lady who went to Pember College. I completed in 2013. I was in Quebec, I was in Dunford, and I love Pember so much. I will never trade Pember College for anything. I am so proud of us. We thank God for the fight.
To the fucking yard. Oh man, I do my PC. I do my door. I stand up a PC. Track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, we teach the fucking yard. Let us distribute and I owe you my business. Yeah. So what can you? That's what I'm here. So what I am from. I so what can? So that's what I'm saying. I almost set it up. I don't know. See, any history as a mom. So work. Prempo, you never present. I'm going to be free as some of them. I'm going to be free as some of them. Like a Real Madrid. You're not perfect now. You're 10. Yeah. Tell you come on. Because I Prempo College. Because I am from home. I'm here just I am from home. But you don't know Mama. 7 number 7. I have 5. Working. Because I am from home. Prempo, you better show you.
We thank God for how far He has brought us. Indeed, we are all serving a living God. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe to the channel because this is the #1 campus channel in the whole wide world. You understand? And make sure you leave a comment. Prepper boys watching me, leave a comment. Present boys, leave a comment. Kita boys, leave a comment. Against association, leave a comment. I will see you another time. Make sure you take care of yourself. Present.
Why will I go on my knees? Man, a king, me need no please. If you want chat to a done pon the work like a dog, me gon' take you out.